Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix WinRAR -100. This is a connection error impacting Valorant, so there's like few steps you can try to fix this. The first thing you can try is see if your internet connection is stable, if you're on like Ethernet, if it's stable, if you're on Wi-Fi, that it has like full bars, that it's not like dropping dropping packets. I personally like to use this speed.cloudflare.com, and it will do a measurement. Once it does its measurement, it will say like which things are good, which are bad. As you can see, it says streaming good, gaming says average for some reason, then it says good for chatting. Check here if it has packet loss. If it says like there's like a more than a 100, then you have a problem with your ISP. You should contact them, or like simply restart your router and see if that fixes your issue, or simply unplug and plug in firmly your Ethernet cable into the motherboard. Once you've done this, you can close this. The next thing you can try is go to command prompt, run it as an administrator, type in ping 1.1.1.1 and let it run. And then once you've done that, type in ping 8.8.8.8 and press enter again. And you'll have like the averages. For me, it's like basically the same. It's like in milliseconds. But if this is like 25 and this is 20, you should use the 1-to-1 DNS. And once you figure out which one is quicker, you go to with network connections. Once you're in here, double click on Ethernet, click on properties, and then find Internet Protocol version 4. Once you're in here, click use the following DNS server, and then either type 1.1.1.1 and the alternative, or 8.8.8.8 and its alternative, whichever is like faster in the test for you. And then like click OK and close this. And then you can like either try this or restart your PC and then try again. The next thing you can try is see if the Vanguard is running. So open taskbar, task manager, type in Vanguard, and it should say Vanguard tray notification. Once you see it's running, the next thing you can try is go to run, type in services.msc. Once you open this, click anywhere here once, press V on your keyboard till you find VGC. Once you double click on it, it will open a window. In this window, the startup type should be set to automatic. Don't put it on delayed start, just automatic. Click on apply, OK, and then start it. Once it's started, you have to restart your PC for it to work. It will work without a restart for League, but for Valorant, you have to restart your PC for it to work. The next thing you can try is see if there's an exception for Valorant through firewall. So you go to search, type in Windows Defender Firewall. It will open a panel, or you can go to the control panel and then click on this arrow and click all control panel items, and then find Defender Firewall, and then click here allow an app or a feature through Windows Firewall, and then click here change settings, and then click allow another app, and then here browse. So you go to local list C or wherever your right games is, open it, go to Valorant live shooter game, binaries, Windows 64, and then Valorant Windows 64 shipping, and then click open, and then click add. For me, there's an exception already, but for you it will say added. And once you added it, press somewhere here and then press V till you find it, and make sure both of these are ticked, private and public, and then OK, and then you can close it. And once again, you can restart your PC, and that should help. If that doesn't help, then the last thing you can do is contact Riot Support, and they should be able to assist you with your problem and fix your issue and resolve your problem. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.